Let's discuss the unique characteristics of services. So, in the last video, we have discussed the difference between the services and the goods. Now, let's discuss the unique characteristics of services. The first unique characteristic of services is the lack of ownership. Unlike the physical goods, services can't be owned. They can be hired for a limited period of time. Like for example, you can hire a Ola or a Uber taxi for a limited period of time, but you can't own that service. Second unique characteristics of services is the intangibility. Services are intangible in nature, so they can't be touched, they can't be seen, they can be only experienced. So what type of challenge that it poses to the service marketer is that the in the promotion part, because you can't promote that experience, because certainly that's why most of the service firms are offering free trials, whether it is gym or whether it is some kind of coaching classes, so that because the services can only be sold through the experiences, unlike the physical goods. Third unique characteristic of service is the inseparability. The services are produced and consumed at the same time, as well as they are inseparable from the service providers. Let's take the example of, say, saloon. You go for a haircut, so the hairstyler, who is the service provider, has to be present, as well as you as a customer has to be present at the time of services. And services being produced and consumed by you at the same time. So so ultimately you can't use it in the later part, you can't store it, it will be consumed immediately, and it is inseparable from the service providers. Fourth characteristic of services is the variability. The services are heterogeneous in nature. The service provider, since is a human being, and most of the time is the human being. Nowadays there is automated services as well, but the people processing, or where the people is the service provider, there are chances of variability of services. You are going for a saloon haircut, one service provider and another service provider will have a different kind of experience for you. As well as sometimes it happens the same service provider provides different kind of services at different period of time, because of the human element being involved. The mood, the personality, the circumstances has an impact on the performance of that service provider. Fifth unique characteristic of services is the perishability. Services are perishable in nature. They are once being provided, they are consumed. They can't be stored like the physical goods. You go for the purchase of a smartphone, you can store it, you can keep it for as long as you want. But when you call the services, you can only uh, consume that service for a specific period of time. They are perishable nature, they will get perished. So that is one of the unique characteristic of service, and it also pose a kind of a challenge for the service marketer, because of the reason you have to convince the buyer the importance of the service for him or her at the right at the present time rather than at the future time, because of the reason that it can't be stored and it can't be used in the future period. The fifth unique characteristics of services are the user participation. So it requires some kind of user participation or customer participation, especially the people processing services like the saloon services or gym services, or any kind of consulting services or psychiatrist services. They require people processing. Ultimately, you need as a customer, you need to do certain tasks, you need to participate. Let's take the example of, say, you go for saloon, you have to sit still, you have to obey the service provider, then only you will get a proper haircut. So you have to do certain work. In the similar manner, you go to McDonald's for taking the services of the food joint. Ultimately you have to do certain self service, you have to place the order, you have to take the order and sit there and eat it, and ultimately then uh, put the use utensils in the basket. So ultimately there is a involvement of customer as well. So these are the unique characteristics of services, and each of the unique characteristics poses some kind of challenge for the service marketer. So we'll discuss the challenges of the services or service marketing in the next video. Thank you.